Hey, what's up everybody? I'm David McGill. Now, I've had too many conversations with people who believe that there is a tax advantage of leasing a truck versus buying a truck. I've also seen in my comment section where people are also spreading this incorrect information. So hopefully in this video I can help explain this to the people who are unsure of how this works. So in this example, we're going to use a lease purchase of $52,000 compared to purchasing a truck for $52,000. So, and what I mean by the lease is, let's say that you're making $1,000 lease payment every week for 52 weeks. And we're going to compare that to purchasing a truck for $52,000. Now, one thing I want to point out about purchasing a truck is this purchase, it doesn't matter if you pay cash or if you finance. This situation is going to apply no matter what. Now, if you lease a truck, the $52,000 that you're going to pay in lease payments for the year, you're going to deduct this on your taxes, and it's going to be dollar for dollar $52,000 deduction. Now, where the confusion comes in is some people think that when you purchase a truck for $52,000, you have to spread this amount out over 5 years through depreciation. And that is an option, but that's not the only thing. That's not the only option that you have. So if you were to spread this out, that's something called straight line depreciation. So for this example, in this year, instead of deducting $52,000 on your taxes, you would take only a fifth of this in the first year, which is $10,400. And you would do that every year for 5 years. Now, that's probably the most common thing you hear of when you think of, accounting and depreciation when it comes to equipment purchases. However, you also have the option to write this entire amount off in the first year, in the year that you purchased the truck. So what I'm saying here is this entire $52,000 purchase can be written off in the year the same way that this $52,000 total lease payment can be written off in that year. The method that you would use to write this entire $52,000 off, there's something called the Section 179 deduction. You can research this online yourself and see that there are situations where you can write off the entire purchase of your truck or trailer in the first year. So the reason why I really wanted to make this video is because there's oftentimes people are relying on like YouTube videos to give them accounting, tax, and even like legal advice. So I just want to stress and show that not all the information you see online is going to be accurate. Now, I'm not surprised at the misinformation that's out there because the Section 179 deduction isn't something that's commonly discussed. So if you're a trucker or a trucking business owner and you are debating on leasing a truck versus buying a truck, I would recommend that you disregard any tax benefits in that decision-making process. Also, when it comes to tax law, I would recommend that you speak with an attorney or an accountant who specializes in these things, because too many times there's incorrect information floating around online. So just go to somebody who really understands this thing and can really set you up the right way. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section, and if you know anybody else who could benefit from this information, please share this video with them. And as always, thanks again for watching.